Welcome back to Simplified Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today, we're working on a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500. Customer stated that there was a clunking noise coming from underneath the vehicle. So I did a little test drive and I made it from right here to right there. Two big clunks. Clunking felt like it was directly beneath my feet. So I jacked it up, checked the wheels and everything. I mean, this is a heavy clunking, right? And anytime I hear people say clunk and not like a pop, you know, they say pop, I think accident. I go over bumps and feel stuff. I check the shocks and sway bar. When somebody says clunking, I always go to the drive shaft. I grabbed it and it was very loose. Watch. All right. Fell apart. See it sitting there? U-joints are busted. You can see it up there, top left corner. The grease is leaking out. There's the pins. You can see right there. Let's see if I can get to reach it here. Hey, boy.